like to walk left, right, left, right. But sometimes it's fun to hop up, down, up, down. Don't be a creature of habit. Hop up and down like a bunny rabbit, just like an animal at the zoo. How about a kangaroo? Hop, 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 hippity hop. Hop, 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 hippity hop. If somebody asks you why you hop, tell them to give it a try. Well, they will soon give up their walk, and you will both go hopping by. Don't be a creature of habit. Hop up and down like a bunny rabbit. Don't sit there like a bump on a log. Hop up and down like a leapfrog. Hop, 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 hippity hop.